Welcome to Hayab Academy. Today, we take a powerful journey across the heart of Africa, a continent of beauty, resilience, and abundance. Africa is not just a place, it's a story written by its people, sung by its cultures, and enriched by its lands. From the golden sands of the Sahara to the lush Congo rainforests, from the vibrant streets of Nairobi to the ancient pyramids of Egypt, Africa speaks a language of unity in diversity. So sit back, relax, and let's explore Africa, the land of riches, culture, and unity. Understanding Africa, the continent of diversity. Africa is the second largest continent in the world after Asia. It covers an area of about 30.3 million square kilometers and is home to over 1.4 billion people. The continent is made up of 54 recognized countries, each with its own flag, government, and unique identity. These include big countries like Algeria, the largest inland area, and small but beautiful nations like Seychelles and Comoros. Did you know that Africa has more than 1,500 languages spoken across its regions? The most widely spoken include Swahili, Arabic, Hausa, Amharic, Yoruba, Zulu, and Somali. Each language carries a history, a memory of the people, their struggles, their songs, and their dreams. Africa is often divided into 5 major regions. 1. North Africa, known for ancient civilizations like Egypt and Carthage. 2. West Africa, rich in music, art, and kingdoms like Mali and Ghana. 3. East Africa, home to the Great Rift Valley and world-famous wildlife. 4. Central Africa, lush rainforests and mighty rivers. 5. Southern Africa, a land of minerals and modern cities like Johannesburg and Cape Town, the riches of Africa. Africa is a continent of unparalleled natural wealth. Beneath its soil lie some of the world's richest deposits of gold, diamonds, oil, copper, uranium, and cobalt. Did you know Africa produces nearly 70% of the world's cocoa used to make chocolate and more than 50% of global cobalt? Essential for batteries in electric cars and smartphones. The Democratic Republic of Congo is known for its mineral resources, Nigeria for its oil and gas, Botswana for diamonds, and South Africa for gold and platinum. Yet Africa's riches are not just in minerals or oil. The true wealth of Africa lies in its people, agriculture, and creativity. The fertile lands of Africa feed millions through crops like maize, cassava, coffee, and tea. The continent is also emerging as a hub for renewable energy, digital innovation, and youth entrepreneurship. Africa's young population, nearly 60% under the age of 25, is its greatest treasure. They are innovators, creators, and dreamers who are shaping the future of the continent. Africa's cultural values now. Let's explore what makes Africa truly unique, its culture. Africa's cultural values are built around community, respect, and unity. The saying, "I am because we are," known as Ubuntu, reflects the African philosophy of togetherness. Family is the foundation of African life. From childhood to old age, the community plays a key role in nurturing, protecting, and guiding its members. Traditional music, dance, and storytelling are more than entertainment. They are the heartbeat of African life. Across Africa, music carries meaning. The drums communicate messages, the dances express emotions, and stories preserve history. In Ethiopia and Eritrea, oral historians recite ancient tales. In Ghana, drums speak. In Kenya and Tanzania, Swahili poetry celebrates love, wisdom, and bravery. Religiously, Africa is a continent of faith. Christianity, Islam, and African traditional religions coexist, teaching respect for ancestors, elders, and the divine. Hospitality is another core value. In Africa, visitors are treated like family, offered food, drink, and kindness, even from strangers. And let's not forget Africa's art and clothing, bold, colorful, and full of meaning. From the intricate beadwork of the Maasai to the bright kente cloth of Ghana, each pattern tells a story of pride, history, and identity. Challenges and hope for the future. Despite its riches, Africa faces challenges: poverty, conflict, corruption, and climate change. But with every challenge comes resilience. Across the continent, young Africans are rising, starting businesses, developing technology, and promoting peace. Education, innovation, and unity are becoming the keys to Africa's future. Africa is not a continent of problems, it is a continent of possibilities. As we close this journey, remember, Africa is not defined by its struggles, but by its strength, its culture, and its people. From its 54 nations to its 1,000 languages, from its ancient kingdoms to its modern cities, Africa continues to rise and inspire the world. Thank you for joining Hayab Academy on this journey across Africa. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to learn more about our beautiful continent. Until next time, celebrate Africa. Know Africa. Be proud of Africa.